Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, students. How are you?
Ma'am, I'm fine.
Good, very good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning to everybody. Let's wait for everyone to join in.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Are you all ready with your copies, your notebooks, your pencils, and everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. So, we did 2 questions yesterday, right? What did we do? We did 2 questions. Arif Sharma, how are you connected to this class? Arif? Okay. Now, which is the third question? Read out, Reyansh.
Ma'am, which region is called the rice bowl of India?
Which region is called the rice bowl of India? So, which region is called? Which region is called the rice bowl of India? Tell me.
Coastal region.
Very nice. Start writing.
Ma'am, I have already written the answer.
Yes?
Ma'am, I have already written the question.
See, children, in the last class, in our last class that was held yesterday, Afraz, sit down at one place. Don't keep moving. We started with the question answers of this chapter, India physical landforms, and we completed 2 questions. Now we have to start with the third question, which is, which region is called the rice bowl of India?
Ma'am, can we make our own answer?
Okay,
I know.
yes, everybody knows. I have already told the answer. Yes, Adrika, you tell what's the answer.
Ma'am, the coastal region is also known as the rice bowl of India.
Very good. Very nice. So everybody start writing, and all of you students, please put your videos on. Divyanshu, Mehul, Akshat, Ridyansh, Pratishtha, Devansh Chaudhary, Imad, Anjali, Ishan.
There is a network problem.
Is there any doubt in the first 2 questions? Aditya Patel, did you do 2 questions that we did in our last class? Aditya Patel, are you ready with your copy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So have you done the first 2 questions?
Ma'am, please tell the first answer.
First answer, the answer of first question?
मेरा क्लास लगने लगा.
Are
Yes,
you
ma'am.
asking? Okay. What is a peninsula? Anybody would want to read out the answer?
Mami.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Ishant Gangwar, you want to read out the answer? Who wants to read out? Okay, Summer will read it out. Yes, Summer.
the question is, what is a peninsula?
Yes.
So the answer is a piece of land which is surrounded by water on three sides and land on one side is called a peninsula. And India is a peninsula country.
Okay, who asked this answer? Who asked this question? Akshat Sahu asked. Okay, Akshat, the answer is a peninsula is a piece of land which is surrounded with water on all three sides. Write it down. A peninsula is a piece of land. I am typing it in the chat box, beta. You can see from there. Okay.
Deccan Plateau.
I'm written.
What have you written? Tell me.
I'm third answer.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the fourth question is, name the rivers that flow through the Deccan Plateau. So ma'am, we have to write the rivers that flow from east to west and from west to east.
Okay. What are you asking, Summer? Name the rivers that flow through the Deccan Plateau. Yes, you have to name these rivers separately. The ones that flow from east to west and the ones that flow from west to east. Got it?
Ma'am, first you have to name east to west.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. You can name any. That's your choice. Now there are total 6 rivers. 4 of them flow from west to east and 2 of them flow from east to west. First of all, who will speak out the answer?
Ma'am,
Okay.
Mami.
Okay, Adrika will speak now.
Ma'am.
Yes.
The Kaveri, the Mahanadi, and the Godavari the Narmada and the Tapi flow through east to west from the Deccan Plateau.
Okay. The rivers that flow through the Deccan Plateau are Mahanadi, Krishna, Kaveri, and Godavari. These rivers flow from, tell me the
west to the
direction.
east.
West to
Ma'am, west
east.
to east.
West to east.
Ma'am,
Very
can I
good.
write down?
And the Narmada and the Tapi flow from east to west.
Ma'am, please tell answer 3.
Ma'am, we have to write only this much answer in fourth question.
Yes. Now, beta, the answer to question number 3, please check your chat box. I have typed the answer over there.
Ma'am, can we start D section?
Wait, beta, wait. We all will move together.
So ma'am, I can write the first question.
Yes.
ये फर्स्ट का है, थर्ड का है और सेकंड का मामा को भेज रही है, ठीक है। आंसर फर्स्ट है, सेकंड का करना सकते हैं।
Children, I have typed the answer of question number 4. Name the rivers that flow through the Deccan Plateau.
Ma'am, please send the answer number 2.
Answer number 2. Name the states located in the Northern Mountains region. Now, children, make a guess. Who would like to answer this question? Pratishtha. Pratishtha?
Ma'am, which?
Wait. Let Pratishtha answer. Where is she gone?
Yes, ma'am.
Pratishtha, what is the answer to the question? Name the states located in the Northern Mountains region.
Name the states that are located in the northern mountain region are Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, West Bengal, Jammu and Kashmir, and Ladakh.
Ladakh is a state.
Ma'am, I know. Ma'am,
Yes,
I know
good.
the correct answer.
No, this is also correct, but she has just spoken a state which is not a state. You have spoken a place which
Yes,
is
ma'am.
not a state.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
The states located in the northern,
Northern mountains region are
yes,
Jammu
Yes.
and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, and the northern part of West Bengal.
yes, the northern part of West Bengal. Jammu and Kashmir. Whose mic is on, children? Anjali Saxena. And who is in the class with this iPhone? Can I know your name? Who is
Ma'am,
attending the
Aditya Patel.
Ma'am, Aditya Patel.
Ma'am, Aditya Patel.
Ma'am, Aditya Patel.
Okay. I have typed the answer to question number 2. The states located in the northern mountains region are, see, so many states are there. So children, all of you have done these short questions, right? Or is there anybody
No,
left?
ma'am, please wait for 2 minutes.
Okay. Afraz, please put yourself on mute. And Ishant Gangwar also. Done? All of you have done these 4 questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Still you are doing?
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, I am doing.
All right.
Ma'am, I am going to answer.
I'm giving you 1 more minute. Complete your short answer type questions, those who have not done.
It with colors also.
Yes?
Ma'am, I have underlined it with colors also.
Very nice.
Ma'am, can I write question 1 of D part?
Ma'am, I have written the question of D part.
Ma'am, can we read the question of D part?
Ma'am, me too. Ma'am, I write the question first of D part.
Ready, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
There.
Yes, ma'am.
The next is describe the main features of the northern plain.
Ma'am, from a new page we have to write.
No, continue from the same page.
Okay.
Now, children, when they are asking about the features, right? So what all points do you think can we include in the features? There must be some key points that we have to include, some value points. What are those value points? Firstly, when they are talking about the northern plains, yes, Summer, tell.
Ma'am, tea is cultivated in the foothills of the Himalayas.
No, beta. First, I'm
Ma'am, in
asking.
northern plains.
First of all, I'm asking, what are the key points when you are asked to describe the main features of that place? What points are we going to cover up? Yes, Reyansh.
Ma'am, climate.
Yes, we can include
River.
climate and
Ma'am, river. Ma'am,
rivers.
rivers.
Yes, rivers. Then we
Ma'am,
can,
crop.
very nice. We can talk about the crops, the soil, and then we can talk. We can explain what, Pratyusha?
Ma'am, the question.
The question is describe the main features. We can also include the states that are there in the northern plains, right? So, and see, what all points have we covered? We have covered the climate of the place. We have covered the crops and soil of the place. We have covered the states of the place. Anything else that we can include?
Ma'am, fruits.
Fruits and crops come under the same category, beta.
And people.
Ma'am,
What
Don't
if
write.
there is any other name given to this place? We can add that also.
No.
That these plains are also known as Indo-Gangetic plains, isn't it? What is the
Yes,
second
ma'am.
name of northern plains?
Indo-Gangetic plains.
Yes. So now write down the answer. I'm typing in the chat box. All of you write
Okay,
that
ma'am.
answer.
Then what we have to do?
You have to write the answer. You want me to dictate you the answer? Can I dictate? Will you all be able to write it?
No, ma'am,
No,
please.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Just try it. Okay, just begin the answer. Northern
Okay, ma'am.
plains are the flatlands
Northern plains are the
Ma'am, you have to write in notebook.
of course, beta. Where are you writing it till now?
Ma'am, please tell the part
Northern
answer
plains.
again.
Northern plains are the flatlands
Northern plains.
मैम नॉर्दर्न की बात क्या है?
Akshat, how do you talk? Sorry, not Akshat, Afraz. What were you asking, ma'am? उसके बाद क्या है? Is this how beta you're supposed to speak in the class?
Ma'am, after northern plains.
Northern plains are the flatlands that lie at the foothills.
Ma'am, please wait. The land.
Ma'am, what is that lie? Ma'am, what is after that lie?
At
Land.
the foothills of Himalayas.
Ma'am, that lie at the foothills.
Yes,
Ma'am, what
that
do you have to
lie.
write after flashlight?
See, again I'm going to read out the whole sentence. Northern plains are the flatlands that lie at the foothills of Himalayas.
Ma'am, at the foothills of Himalayas.
Yes, at the foothills of Himalayas.
At the foothills of Himalayas.
Ma'am, after Himalayas, we have to put full stop.
Yes, this was our point number 1, right? I have entered, I have sent in the chat box. All of you can check. This was our point number 1. Then the answer is not complete till now. All of you check.
Ma'am, check.
Okay.
Ma'am, check.
Now wait, I'm going to type the other sentence. Then the B point is this region is also called the Indo-Gangetic Plain or the Terai region.
Ma'am, we have to write in points or we have to write in lines.
Yes. You have to write it in points. This region is also
Ma'am,
called
like 1, 2.
1, 2 or ABCD, anything. You can write it anyhow. Or you can even make bullets. If you don't want to number them, you can just put a bullet before these points, like how you put in computer.
Ma'am, what do we have to write after reasons?
Ma'am, please tell the second point.
I have
This
entered the
region
second
is-
point also.
Also, ma'am, please tell the question.
Beta, the question is, describe the main features of the northern plains. Akshat Sahu, are you sitting without your book?
No, ma'am.
Then beta, you don't know where we are, what we are doing?
मैम मेरा नेटवर्क चले जाएगा मैम
Ma'am, we have
Who
to
said
write
मेरा
like
network
this.
चला गया था? Who said it?
मैम आए
Okay, Akshat, how do you say? You say my network was gone. Say,
मैम my network is gone.
no, was gone. Now it is there. Ma'am, my signals were lost. The soil of this region is very... How is the soil of this region, children?
Ma'am, very fertile.
Fertile. Ma'am very fertile.
Very good.
Very
And
fertile.
yes, and many crops and fruits grow here. Point number 3, I have typed. Written, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write
Ma'am,
it.
we have to write. Ma'am, we have to write like this. Please check.
Like what? Have you written it in points? Better
Yes,
bring it
ma'am.
more close to the camera. Even closer. I can't see it. Yes, yes. This is how you have to write it. Very good. Now one more point is left. One more point is left. We have not covered the states that come under the northern plains.
And ma'am, climate.
Yes, climate also we have not included.
Ma'am, I have written like this.
Yes, fine. It's the same way. The states that lie under...
Ma'am, I have written like this.
Okay, good. Everybody has to write it in points. Yes, very nice.
Ma'am, the states which lie under.
The northern plains are
Plains are. Ma'am, this we can write from book only. Ma'am, the
yes, I have
states.
sent. I have sent. If you want to see from the chat box, you can see from there. The states that lie in this region are Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, and Assam.
Are Punjab, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, and Assam. Ma'am, the fifth
Vivek, are you writing?
one.
Vivek, are you writing?
West Bengal
Vivek Kumar Singh, you are not responding. Beta, can't you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you writing your answers?
Ma'am, I come late in the class.
You came late in the class. And why did you come late in the class? What is the time of your class?
Ma'am, 8 o'clock. Ma'am, 8
Then what time are you supposed to be here in the class?
Ma'am, 8:15.
8:15? Sharp at 8. Sharp at 8 you are supposed to log in. Now which one have you missed? Vivek, you can start with the long answers. I have typed them in the chat box.
Ma'am, which chapter?
Chapter number 12, India Physical Divisions. We have done the short answer type questions. Now we are on the long answer type.
Ma'am, answer in detail.
Yes, answer in detail.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, the fifth point is about climate.
Yes, the fifth point is this region has extreme climate. It is very hot in summers and very cold in winters.
I'm
Yes,
reading the fifth point.
yes, it is the fifth point, E point.
This region has
I'm written.
an extreme climate. It is
I'm written.
summer.
Very good.
Ma'am, can we write question second?
Yes, you can write question number second, but I will write the answer when everybody will have written the answer number 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Afraz, any confusion, beta? Are you able to write it?
I have done.
You have written answer 1?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
And Aditya Patel. Aditya Patel, what about you? Unmute yourself.
Different.
Ma'am,
Aditya
I
Patel.
want to. Ma'am, I want to ask something. Can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to ask that, ma'am, the climate point was the last point of this
Yes,
question.
yes.
Okay,
So,
ma'am, thank you.
so we have covered up total 5 points in the features of this area, the northern plains.
Ma'am, I have done the fifth point also, so I can do D part question number 2.
Yes, you can write question number 2. Start writing.
And the question number 2 is also about the climate of northern plains and northern mountains.
Yes. So can you tell the difference between the climate of these two places? What is the difference in the climate
Ma'am,
of
please
the
wait.
what is the difference in the climate of northern plains and northern mountains? Any guesses without looking at the book? Don't look at the book. Don't look into the book. Just make a guess on your own. The northern mountain region is what? Completely hilly region. So what kind of
Yes.
climate do hilly areas have? And what kind of climate
Ma'am,
do plains have?
climate.
They
Ma'am,
have
Hilly
northern,
areas are very
okay. Whenever we
northern
talk
Climate
about
mountains
in
are
lower
cold
region.
region and plains are hot.
okay, whenever we talk about the climate, we talk about winters and summers separately. Okay? So now make a
Ma'am, in
guess.
the
Okay,
northern mountains, the
wait, Summer, wait. Let somebody else speak. Uh, who would want to speak apart from Adrika,
And me.
Summer, and Ryansh? And Pratishtha
And me.
also. Who, me? Mehul, yes. Tell
Ma'am,
me.
the northern mountains climate are cold and
Okay, how
northern
is it in
plains.
winters, Mehul?
Ma'am, northern mountain.
Yes, how is the climate of northern mountains in winters?
Ma'am, cold.
It is very cold. It is extremely cold. Sometimes we even have snowfall over there, right?
Okay, ma'am. And the northern plain are hot.
And
Hot and cold.
how एक second some Mehul, when we are talking about the northern plains climate, let's cover up both winters and summers together. We are just talking about the northern mountains first. Okay?
Okay,
Um,
ma'am.
put your video on, Mehul, just for a minute till I'm talking to you. See, when we are talking about the climate, let's talk about winters and summers both. How are the winters in northern mountains? They are extremely cold, right? And sometimes what happens, even snowfall occurs. How are summers in northern mountains? Mehul, how are
Always
summers?
cold.
Yes?
Always cold.
Yes.
Cold.
Yes. Summers are always cool. They are not cold. Summers are not cold. They are always cool. What is the word for the summers to describe the climate?
ma'am, cool.
Yes, summers are always cool. And now when we come on to the northern plains, how is the weather in winters?
Ma'am, extremely
Northern
cold.
plain.
Extremely cold. And how is the weather in summers?
Northern
Ma'am,
plain.
extremely hot.
Northern plains. Yes, beta, northern plains. The place where we live in northern plains. How is the weather in summers? It is extremely hot.
Hot.
And winters are extremely cold.
Cold.
Right? So now you can write the answer yourself, everybody.
Ma'am, first I will write the answer and then I will show it to you. Okay?
Okay. If you want, I can just read out the answer before you.
No, ma'am.
No, beta, there are other students also. The northern mountain region is very cold in winters, and in summers it is cool. While the northern plains are very cold in winters and very hot in summers. We are
Ma'am, I
left
was